beautiful people, and again welcome back to my channel, Door Travel. And today again we're gonna discuss about my travel and souvenir idea edition. Today's episode is about Tom Ford Black Orchid, one of my favorite perfume from my collection. And I think I bought this one when I was shopping in Harrods. Okay, this perfume is for women, and the packaging is like in this box, very beautiful. Let's open for you. Okay, and it's come in a very beautiful black bottle. Okay, and it has this golden bronze label on the bottle, embossed inside with bronze as well on the top. Okay, so without further ado, let's discuss and about my review on this perfume. Okay, my review upon initial spray of this perfume, it smells really sweet bursts of a chocolate trifle and coffee, and after 30 minutes you can smell a burst of floral such as jasmine, patchouli dominating it, and then a smell of chocolate and spices together blending with it. Upon dry down, the Black Orchid start reappearing with the smell of mocha on the background, a balancing chocolate and coffee with a little bit lemon scents to balance the sweetness. In 2 sentences I can say 1 to 2 spray of this perfume is enough. It goes a long way. Very strong, very intoxicating, and it's a bit sweet, which is very good to use during winter, and I may say lasts very long, and it smells different to different people. Some smell like really coffee on the body chemistry, but I usually spray in the clothes, so it's more on balance really of Black Orchid with a little bit chocolate on the side. Anyway, let's see further differ with this perfume. This perfume have a similar smell with, let me think about, can't smell that. Okay, now I finally recall what is almost similar of this perfume. This perfume is almost similar with Black Orchid of Yves Saint Laurent, and the only difference with the Black Orchid, it has a bit of hint of amber, and the chocolate or coffee is stronger. Depends again on these people, but I can smell more on coffee on the Black Orchid rather than on the Tom Ford Black Orchids. In Tom Ford Black Orchids is more on trifle chocolate rather than coffee, but on the Black Orchid is more on coffee. And to summarize, this the projection and sillage of this perfume is really beastly mode. It's like if you really go for a clubbing, it's okay for a date, but definitely not for dinner. It's really intoxicating for those people who sitting near you during the dinner. So probably like clubbing, or like say like night party, and then cold temperature such as winter is very good, and you can really appreciate this perfume. I very seldom and often use this perfume, only when I'm on the mood, and I think the best nice to wear this one is with high heels, a bit of backless dress. This is goes with this one with the red lipstick. Right. Thank you so much. Hope you find this informative and as a gift for your souvenir, or a gift for your remembrance when you're visiting Europe. Again, this perfume is made in France. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now.